Hey everyone, welcome to Soap Trend. We hope that everybody is doing well. We have some good news to share with you all in today's video from our favorite TV series When Calls the Heart. A record-breaking heat wave hits as When Calls the Heart begins season 9 prep. Do watch this video till the end to know everything. When Calls the Heart had just officially kicked off prepping for season 9 at the Jamestown movie set in Canada. At the same time, the filming location for the beloved Hallmark series is experiencing an unprecedented heat wave, a record-breaking heat wave. Peter DeLuise, director for When Calls the Heart, shared on June 25, 2021 that prep had officially started for season 9. He shared 2 photos from the Jamestown movie set in Canada with the simple caption #Hearties, #WCTH, #When Calls the Heart, at Hallmark Channel, at SC Heart Home, #BTS, #Behind the Scenes, Season 9 Prep Day 1. When Calls the Heart is filmed at the Jamestown movie set in Canada, which has 96-acre land in Langley, British Columbia on McInnes Farms. In an interview with a podcast hosted by Dr. Steve Green, creator Brian Bird revealed that season 9 would begin filming in just 6 weeks from the interview's date, which was June 14. This puts the start of filming as happening roughly around the week of July 19 to 23. Jamestown movie set shared that temperatures are expected to reach 113 degrees Fahrenheit. The very next day, Jamestown movie set shared on Facebook that a heat wave was heading for Canada that would include the McInnes Farms location. The temperatures are expected to hit 113 degrees Fahrenheit, they wrote. The big news in Hope Valley is the heat wave that settled in for the foreseeable future, with temps predicted at 45 degrees Celsius, 113 degrees Fahrenheit set for Monday, and nearly that hot on the days before and after. We predict a lot of sweat and remembering how January never did this to us. For those who are to temps like this, you're superheroes. Based on Bird's estimate of when filming would begin, the cast isn't going to be filming in this intense heat, but it might affect people who are on site prepping for filming. As for the day of publication, Langley's high temperature was expected to reach 108 to 109 degrees Fahrenheit on Monday, and the entire region is under a heat warning. According to the Weather Network, most of Western Canada is experiencing record-breaking temperature and is expected to last for a few days. The heat wave is caused by a heat dome, which is a region of high pressure where air compresses in layers beneath it. Some schools in the region even shut down in anticipation of the heat. The heat might continue into Thursday, the Weather Network warned. Some areas opened cooling centers since many buildings in this region of Canada do not have air conditioning. Parts of the northwestern United States, such as Washington and Oregon, were also experiencing record-breaking temperatures. The Weather Network noted that British Columbia, where Jamestown movie set is located, was experiencing the most extreme heat. Power Grid were also facing extreme uses and reporting peaks in hourly demand in the region. In Vancouver, additional measures were taken to help residents, including offering water at community centers, providing bottled water, tabletop fans and wellness checks, providing common area air-conditioned spaces in some regions and more. Let's hope that the filming of When Calls the Heart Season 9 will start at Jamestown movie set within July of 2021. So what can we expect in the new Season 9? When Paul Green hinted his character will return, he also confirmed a time jump for the show when it returns to Hallmark. He said in a podcast, "A lot can happen in the off-season. There's a big time jump in between seasons. Faith's character become a doctor in the off-season. There's so much that can happen." The Carlton actor is not the only one who has been dropping hints about the plot of season 9. After the season finale saw Elizabeth choose Lucas over Nathan, Krakow said, "Now that the decision has been made, I think it will be really nice to see what the courtship actually looks like. In a video for the Hallmark channel, Krakow added, "It will be really nice to be able to play out some of those sweet romantic scenes and kind of watch that courtship blossom." That's what I would say for Elizabeth. In that same interview, Pascal Hutton said, "I think what we will see with Rosemary in this final episode of season 8 is kind of this renewed excitement, renewed passion and a focus. I think she's found a focus and she's really excited about that. That's going to kind of propel into hopefully season 9. Her on-screen husband Smith added, "We are both completely on board with wanting to expand Lee and Rosemary's family in one way or another. I think it's just been a long, ongoing question, and I think if we get the chance to go again, we'll have some more solid answer for you on that one. This seems like season 9 is going to be more exciting." So this much for today's video. We hope you liked it. We will deliver more news of When Calls the Heart as it comes in. We will have all the burning When Calls the Heart spoilers, news and updates you're looking for. So visit us regularly. Thank you for checking this video out. We will see each other very soon with another video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. If you have anything to say, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll make sure to reply to your comments.